So this is data processing and reporting. It is a one-year Ontario College certificate. So again, it is 2 academic terms. And we run this program here at the Doon campus in Kitchener, Ontario. This is a program that's designed to prepare students to work in an office environment. So you learn computer skills using a laptop. And so you learn Microsoft 365 applications as they relate to business. And you use your skills to organize data, prepare presentations and reports, validate data, and you can also learn about digital marketing. So we have a number of projects or case studies or different learning interactive activities where you develop these skills, and both independently and working in groups so that you're prepared to enter an office environment. Our admission requirements are a high school diploma or 19 years of age or older. And the language admission requirements are also similar to all other certificate programs at the college. There is an admission pathway for those who don't have a college level English course. So we do have, if someone is a mature student and they don't have the OSSD, we can offer a Conestoga College preparatory communications course through our academic upgrading pathway as well. And then the career outcomes. So as I said, this is a great first program if you're looking for 2, but it also prepares students for entry-level positions in data entry, as clerks, front desk work, or as somebody who's supporting inventory management, for example. And then from there, to proceed later into your career would be a good opportunity to take on more supervisory roles, inventory management, or front desk supervisor type roles. This is a really great program paired with someone who's interested in computers. You develop basic computer skills here, but then it's a good first program that leads into programs in our School of IT as well. So more on the networking technologist side, or web development fundamentals are other one-year programs that pair nicely with this program.